The day didn't even wait for us to set up. The very first card on the table was a Scream Mimikyu, and it sold before the booth was even ready. From there, things only escalated with the return of the Crypto Bro, back again and ready to talk deals. And just when we thought we'd seen every Poncho Pikachu out there, we stumbled across some versions we've never seen before. It was one of those days where every moment topped the last, so stick around to see how it all unfolded, and...
17. What was your name?
Emilio.
Emilio?
Yeah.
All right, 200 or 400 for the Celebration Zard. Ready? Give me heads. 400, babe. Give me cash. Nah, I paid like 120%. What was your name again, bro?
Christian.
Christian? Thank you. Coin flip for the stamp, 1700 or 1900. Heads, tails. Call in the air, bro.
Tails.
Got it. 17. Thank you.
Thanks, bro.
How much were you looking? What do you think is fair?
Depends.
Is it? It's a clean copy, right?
It's a hollow with a swirl and it's very clean.
It's good. I can't tell. If
You can take it out. You can take it out.
How do you open it?
I think this would grade at 8. Has like a little white on the top back and the back, like minor whiting. I think it would 8. If it didn't have that whiting, it'd probably get a 9. I don't even know what to value it at.
That's like 350.
Show me an offer. It doesn't hurt.
Yeah, I mean, it's like 230 for a grade 8.
Cash?
Yeah. We do 220 since it's not literally an 8. It's not.
Meet me at 250.
Well, grip for 210.
Can you meet me at 250? It has a swirl on the face.
215?
Has a really nice swirl.
You said 215?
250.
250?
Yeah.
I thought you said 230. Oh.
I didn't say two. You said 230.
No, I was saying PSA 8s are going for 230. So, and that's literally an 8, right? Not a bird in the hand, bird in the bush kind of thing. I'll do 230.
Sure. Let's do it. What's your name, bro?
Jordan.
Curtin?
Jordan.
Jordan. All right, can I show the camera real quick?
Yeah.
All right, he's taking the, I think it's the red gift set, something like that. I believe it's a Japanese exclusive Articuno. Has a beautiful swirl on top for $230. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. How big of a flip you want to do?
Huh?
You want to double or nothing, you said? That's degenerate.
Let's do this. Double over.
Do you like his degeneracy?
Huh?
Do you like his degeneracy? She hates it when I gamble.
Really?
But I'm here to support you today.
What were you looking up or down on the
Let's see. Out of the 3, I like this the most because it's English exclusive. It's worth $250. I'll pay you 2. How much do you want to flip?
set 2?
Yeah. Middle point 2. How much do you want to flip? Oh boy.
You tell me what. You tell me.
Not bad.
150, 250, 100, 300.
I don't know.
150, 250. All right, what's your name?
Can you include the coin?
$10. I only have like 4 or 5 coins left. So 160, 260. All right.
Snag.
What was it?
Snag.
Snake? All right. Kingdra and a coin. I'm gonna buy the. Wait, sorry. Wait, no. I'm paying you, right?
160.
Sorry, I said the number wrong.
160, 260.
Reverse. Sorry, I added $10 your way. Because you're
So 240?
240, 140. Yeah. I'm sorry about that.
Okay, so
You know what I
wait,
mean,
so-
right?
So what are we doing? So
Because we said 150, 250 without the coin. With the coin, I'll pay you 140 or 240. Just want to make sure you understand. I just had a brain fart. Okay. So you're getting the coin. I'm getting the card, and I'll pay you 140 or 240. The coins are $10. Before anyone calls me a scammer for shaking his hand. All right, heads, tails.
I'll call?
Yeah, call it in the air. Good luck.
Heads.
You got it. 240. All right, can I get some cash?
How much do you have on your salary? Is it your occasion?
Which Celebi? This? Yeah. Whatever TCG player is, I'm fine with that. You want to take a look at them? I bought them in Card Party when they were 75, and I paid like 80%. Or 75%. That's whatever. Market drops, right? You got to adjust. The vendors that are like, oh, I'm in it for too high. Those are the vendors that are not gonna
I know.
do good.
Some of them told me I can't butcher anything because I'm gonna lose money. I'm like,
Yeah, all the new vendors that paid stupid high before the crash, now they realize what it's like. Paying 90% is stupid as a vendor. Okay,
the ones that I
so
wanna be selling
pay
to.
me 130 plus 55 times 3, right? So 295 for me.
oh, okay, hang on.
Give me 300, I'll give you $5 back, and give him 130. Jamie from the UK is taking my Japanese Meowth and 3 Celebi Altards for $295 cash. All right, this is day 2 in New Jersey, Collecticon. It's like 10:47 a.m. Let's see how we do. I'm buying, yesterday he gave me a Suicune Rainbow Rare from Lost Thunder, right? And Lugia Altar Solar Tempest and a Sylveon Espeon VMAX from Fusion Strike PSA 10. $1,800 cash, because he helped sell some of my stuff. So how much was that, like 88%, something like that? It's been undervalued, to be honest with you, bro. I don't really want to sell it that bad.
10.5.
Like, look how many ponchos I have. I'll do, I'm good on this. With the guard, I'll do 10.6, if you want. Cash?
Yes.
What was your name, bro?
Nas.
Nas? Dang. Mimikyu Munch. I haven't finished setting up already. Did a deal. How's it going?
Interest you at all?
Cash?
Preferably, depending on what you.
Do you know how much you want?
This is all over the place. I have no clue here.
Okay.
So I need a number there. This is like 6'7".
6'7"?
This is at like 33.
Let's check.
I'll
So,
be back.
all right, no worries. I bought these when they were like $70
Yeah.
5 years ago.
I paid 90 for mine. But I don't know why this.
You can buy this on Amazon or Yahoo Japan or Amazon Japan for $70 5 years ago. They went up to like $800 at one point. I'm telling you, it outperforms every stock.
Seriously,
My whole net worth is Pokemon. I'm a little crazy. So this is how you check market on this. This is called Tag All-Stars GX. That's the box. Tag All-Stars booster box. There's listing at like 6
what
to...
is it, eBay?
Yeah, just eBay. You can, like, there's different marketplaces to check, but for this stuff, it's not really on, it probably is on TCG Player, but eBay is more reliable.
Is there like a StockX or something? Pokemon card?
There is, but there's not as much like volume on there, so you can't really go off the market up there. But I'll do 5,700 cash on this if you want to sell it. I think that's very fair. 5,700 cash on Skull and 3-1 on these two. And I'll bump my offer. What did I offer you?
Dog shit.
What was it?
41, I think.
That was trade or cash?
Trade, I think.
What did I say cash? 3 something, right? Or 3-1 was the number.
332.
Okay. What was your name, bro?
Evan.
Evan?
Yep.
All right. We're going to cleanse it with Evan. Tag All-Stars booster box. And Sunbury English from Prismatic. PSA 10, 3,000 or 3,200. Call it in the air, bro. Heads, tails.
Yes, sir.
Good luck.
Tails.
You got it. 3,200. Cash, please, baby. What's up?
Bro, you done for me like 4 videos in a row, bro. You had this, no?
Was that mine?
It's not yours, bro. You had one, right? You sold it like 40?
No, I sold it for 32.
Is it first set or unlimited?
Unlimited. Is yours unlimited? When did you get it?
Yesterday.
How much?
More than what you sold it for.
What?
A little bit more.
33, 34?
It's under 40.
You paid 38?
Under 40.
I think I had it in Seattle, right? I think. I don't. Was Seattle before Was Seattle before or after Chicago?
Seattle's before. Card party, right?
Was it before Chicago Collecticon? I sold it in Chicago.
Chicago Collecticon. That was like a month ago.
That was after Seattle?
After.
Yeah, so I had it in Seattle. Nobody wanted it.
Really? I didn't see it. Well, just flip. Let's flip. Double or nothing. All right. What time is it?
On Charizard, I know Squirtle.
What does Squirtle do? Squirt. All right. This guy pissed me off in Seattle a month ago. He was in 3 of my thumbnails. I don't know. He wanted a Mario and then he like backed out and shit. The comments cooked
Put
him.
me in this thumbnail like 4 videos in a row and troll
Hey,
me like
it was
crazy.
my editor's choice, bro.
Crazy. That's crazy.
He's from Canada, so he deserves it. Did you shower this time?
Bro, I don't even know why you said that, bro. I wear the nicest shit, bro. That's crazy, bro.
You say it. Double or nothing? Double or nothing? You want to do double or nothing?
Double or nothing?
You want to do 0 or 8? His hands are sweaty as shit.
I'm sweaty, bro.
Don't forget to wash your hands, bro.
Well, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy.
What was your name again? Crypto bro?
I'm not even a crypto, bro. It's the other guy. What the fuck? That's not even the right thing, bro. 008?
What was your name again?
Kevin.
Kevin? All right. Kevin showers this time. Glaceon full art.
That's crazy.
0 or 800.
I'll call it.
Yeah, call it good, all right?
All right.
If I win, you gotta yell GOATED PULLZ with me. Heads, tails. Ready? 0 or 800, baby. Call it in the air.
Give me the big nose.
Give me tails.
Big nose.
Give him 800, babe.
Big nose. Got it.
God damn it. Minus 310. Want to flip off 220. We'll do like 2 or 240. Work for you?
Yep.
I don't. That's a dope card, though. I don't. Sorry. What's his name again, bro? Ethan? Ethan? All right. Ethan is taking the Charmander promo, Obsidian Flames. He's going to give us War Turtle and Squirtle raw and a PSA 9 Charmander. And he's going to give us either 200 cash or 240 cash. All right, bro. Call in the air. You ready? That's heads. That's tails. Good luck. Here we go. Is it? You cooked me?
Yes, I cooked you.
GP? All right. Can I get the coin, please? 200. I got cooked. $20. Fuck it.
Thanks, Arvin.
Thank you, bro. Congrats. Appreciate it. Yeah, cool stuff.
How much?
Which ones? Just the full arts? Or
Yeah.
This is 17 grand. This is 9 grand. The full sequential set, all graded 10, is 37K.
Wow.
If you want a non-sequential set, I'll do 35,000.
No, I'm just morbidly curious about four.
Yeah, I mean, they were only like a couple $100 10 years ago.
I know, that's crazy.
Yeah, but nobody wanted to buy it. It's just like Bitcoin. Nobody wanted to buy it 10 years ago.
I have to settle for my peeps.
Wow. Oh, that's cool. That's actually funny. That's sick.
I like these.
Are those like, what are they called?
Dupes.
Or how much you pay for those? Oh, the Wario is funny. Can I show the camera?
Yeah, sure.
Where'd you get them from?
I got it from a card show in Woodbridge.
That's cool. They're like custom cards, right?
Yeah, they are custom cards.
These aren't real cards, but they're cool.
But I
Pokemon
also
should make
have-
more.
Yeah, I also have Deadpool, Wolverine.
That is so
Monster.
hilarious.
I have Link.
Dude, I want like a Link and Zelda.
They didn't have a Zelda one.
Yo, check this out. They're not real Pokemon cards, but they're sick.
They're my pride and joy.
They're so cute. The Yoshi.
They're absolutely adorable.
I love the Wario and Waluigi. The Deadpool, the Wolverine.
Yeah, the guy always has like a bunch of them.
The Link. I'm surprised they haven't made a Link and Zelda Pikachu Poncho.
Hello, sir.
What's up, bro? How you doing?
Can you buy these?
Maybe this.
Okay.
I'm okay on that.
Alright. I don't know if you're even interested in sector.
No. Maybe. Maybe. Maybe.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me just put this away real quick.
Sorry.
Sorry. No worries. With the coin flip, we can flip it like $100 up or down. You want to do that? Okay. If you're okay with that, I'll comp it out.
Yeah, comp it out.
80% okay with you?
Yeah.
Okay. What was your name, bro?
Dave.
Dave? All right. Let's see. This one, 4, 370, 4, 4. I'm fine at 4. Okay. 2.5. 2.4, 2.6.
Sure.
Cash? Yep.
On your bricks, percentage-wise.
What was your name again, bro?
Dave.
Dave? All right.
You're gonna do that.
All right, coin flip with Dave. We're taking the Groudon, the Mewtwo from Pogo, the Mewtwo and Mew, and the meat on the bones is beautiful Pokecue and Pikachu. And all the guards included too. 2,400, 2,600 cash. You ready, bro? Heads, tails.
No,
You ready? Call it in the air. Got it. 2,600. Bro, I'm getting smoked on flip. I'm like 1 in 8 today. 2,600. All right, Eve is taking my Gengar Mimikyu. I actually like this artwork more than the Altar personally. Let me know what you guys prefer. He's giving us a Shadowless Blastoise PSA 7 and 820 cash. Just confirm. Got it, bro. Thank you. Appreciate it. Enjoy. Thank you. All right. You want just cash?
Yeah.
You've had them for a while?
Yes. So at least 4 years.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
It's a lot of money here. What was your question, bro? Wow. So this is like a holy grail. This is a first edition Charizard. In a PSA 10, this is over 300 grand. This is a 5. What's this worth in a 5 right now?
11 grand.
Wow. So a 10 is 300K. Is this an Amber Guard or
Emperor.
Amber? I'm good on it, but thank you for showing me, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're up a lot.
Yeah.
Because I've had a lot of these from 4 years
I
ago.
know, right?
I remember when this was like 4K.
Yes, I'm regretting.
Luigi was like 2.5K.
This actually what undid me is like I had the Luigi and I was like looking for the Mario. I was like, it's gonna come down.
I mean, they all went up about the same percent, so it's like the same thing. Do you want a coin flip?
really don't.
All right, I'll come up to 9,800 if you want to do it. Cash. That's over your ask of 93%. I think that's fair. What was your name?
John.
John?
Yeah.
9,800? Fair?
Come on.
That's over 90. That's over.
Let me think about it. Yeah. I can't. I'm sorry. I can't.
99 is your bottom?
Bottom.
Okay, done.
Yep.
Cash.
All right.
Babe, 9,900 cash. For the Charizard.